I'm Sarah.
Hey there, I'm Brian.
And this is Exploring with Sarah and Brian.
Come join us on our adventures.
Lots of food.
And hiking and coasters.
And so much more. You gotta watch.
Enjoy the ride. Good morning, everyone. We are on our way to the boat tour for Gates of the Mountains and came across this, an abandoned tour boat, it looks like. Let's take a walk around it. Very cool. Not sure how it ended up here, but it did. Nice. Yeah, that's really neat. Alright, let's keep going. Just parked at Gates of the Mountains for the boat tour. And there she is, about to hop on.
Stone Canyon this afternoon. On the right-hand side, you have wilderness area. Pokes those salt deposits away, leaving the openings you see. There has been no blasting, no mining, no work of any kind. Oh, we've got a couple of golden eagles up there. See them up there? Those big, huge, ginormous birds. At the top of that, you will see that beautiful Montana blue sky shone through. Now, the largest opening we've been able to get into in the area is that ear-shaped cave on the lower left-hand portion of that formation. Goes in about 125 feet, does a horseshoe, and comes out the smaller opening above it. Little sense of what those men experienced. 54 feet across. So to give you a little perspective, we could take Sacagawea 2, run her through there bow to stern, there would still be 4 feet to spare. American pictographs of the abstract tradition. They were put here by the shaman, spiritual leaders of the tribe. They'd come in on a vision quest, wouldn't eat or drink for 3 days and 3 nights, trying to make contact with the ancestors.
Like, what? What are you telling me to do?
Yeah, if they do that in the canyon, it just rings. You hear that clash of horns. So every good Montanan knows when you open a gate, you close it. You don't leave a gate open, for goodness sake.
Get a good picture?
Oh yeah. On our way back from Gates of the Mountain and stopped by this really neat roadside history thing going on here. Looks like this was Jim Dolan. Man, if he was that tall in real life, that would be kind of terrifying. Put it in perspective, this is how tall he is. I'm 6'5", so he's got to be like, man, he's got to be like 8 feet, something like that.
We were both so amazed by Gates of the Mountain. The boat ride was worth every penny.
That was so much fun. It was so cool.
Yes, and we learned history, and like our boat driver was quoting a journal passage of
Either Lewis or Clark, one or the other.
Describing the Gates of the Mountain. And it's so cool, as you could see in our video, how we had the gate opening and closing. Amazing. If you are ever in Helena and have a chance to do that, do it.
Absolutely. It was a beautiful, beautiful boat ride,
yes, man. Worth every penny. We even got out to walk and look. So, lots of storytelling about the area. It makes it so much better.
Yeah, a lot of fun, man. But anyways, be sure to like, comment and subscribe.
And thumbs up.
Yes.
And if you want to hear more from us, go to that bell button and hit all. And give it a click.
Yes. Please do, y'all. But thank you for watching.
Thank you so much.